Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You should begin by making space and cutting power. Unplug the dryer and pull it out about 1 to 2 feet so you can reach the exhaust. Remove the lint screen and vacuum any loose debris. This lowers the chance of clogging during brushing. Assemble the Holikme dryer vent brush, select the extension segments you need, and test the brush head by turning it by hand so you understand its flex and reach before you insert it into the duct. Feed the Holikme brush into the vent gently. Rotate it clockwise then counterclockwise while applying steady forward pressure so the bristles dislodge packed lint. Once you meet resistance, add another extension and continue. Work in small increments to avoid snagging. Most household ducts require 6 to 12 feet of reach. Every few passes, withdraw the brush, wipe or shake lint into a bag, and repeat until the brush travels freely to the exterior hood and back with minimal obstruction. Once the vent feels clear, pull the brush fully out, remove accumulated lint into a trash bag, and reattach the ducting securely to the dryer and exterior hood. Make sure clamps are tight. Run the dryer on an air-only or fluff cycle to confirm stronger airflow and shorter drying times, which indicates success. If the brush ever snags, stop immediately, reverse the rotation, and gently withdraw it. If you cannot free it, cut power and access the vent from outside to avoid damaging the duct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.